Ow! Look! The bugger hit me right in the mouth.
Oh no!
Yeah. Watch out! Fuck that shit. Hey, I said we go that way. Yeah. That bugger about broke my nose. Woo! Well, we're back on some kind of track.
Now we can go that way or that way.
I bet you the arrows take you home.
Or they drop you in more shit.
Yeah, or they take you to more shit.
We don't know.
Yeah. Whoo! Fuck, we've only done like 10 miles.
Dude, I hadn't even, my fuel's still like up on the top.
Yeah. Hard miles. Yeah. Not too bad though, good shit. Well, look at that big ass fucking cedar. Well. It's so fucking cool up in here, just fucking dense ass.
Pretty woods.
Yeah. Every now and then you see a deer or something. Yeah. Haven't seen a bear yet.
No?
No, been riding for about 5 years, no bear yet. Started when I was pretty old. You ride your whole life, or?
I mean, we learned how to ride when we were kids.
Yeah.
I mean, I wasn't until I was in my mid-20s.
There you go.
I, you know, was making a job, had a job where I was making enough money I could
Afford it.
Yeah.
35, 30.
Almost 40 now.
There you go. I started when I was 35, 36.
Huh? You cut that tree out?
Yeah. That thing's fucked.
Yeah, it caught me right in the fucking boop.
Yeah, that was not bad.
Right in the kisser.
I think this is the spot where everybody got stuck last.
Right?
Yeah.
I think the arrows take you back though, right?
Right or straight? Or left?
Straight.
Straight.
I think